Can we monetize YouTube short videos? Will the watch time be considered? In this video, I'm going to explain you with two examples in which one of the short video does not have the earning and another short video has an earning also. So let me show you with example. So this is what YouTube says about short videos. So your YouTube short videos can be anything less than 1 minute. Okay, less than 60 seconds is the criteria for having the short video. Okay, and certainly they also have YouTube's short creation tool that is available, using which you can create short video up to 15 seconds. Okay, now one other thing that they say is for a video to qualify as shorts, so you need to make sure that you are including the hashtag shorts in either title or description. And the next most important criteria is your video is taken vertically. Okay, so it has to be taken vertically, not horizontally. If you meet the criteria of less than 1 minute, and if the video is vertical, then certainly, and also you have mentioned hashtag shorts in either title or description, that video qualifies for a short video, and certainly it will be shown in the short shelf that you can see on the screen right now. Right now, can this videos actually earn money? So let me give two examples so that you can understand clearly. So this is one of the first example where you can see that this video is 16 seconds long. Okay, and it has not generated any earning. Okay, you can see your estimated earning is 0 on this. Right now, also if you can see, the majority of the traffic is coming from short shelf. Okay, so that's where it is coming from, where you can see 53% of the views are coming from the short shelf. Okay, but there is no earning on this, right? And if we go to monetization section, let me show you that the monetization has been turned on this. By default, when we upload as a short video, monetization will not be on. Okay, but there is no restriction. You can still go ahead and turn the monetization on as well, right? So in this video, which is around 15 seconds, you see there is no earning. Right now, let me show you one more video that I have created just as experiment purpose. Now that you can see, this video is around 51 seconds long, right? And the total views generated is 1,800, but this has the earning, right? So you can see this has around $0.37 that has earned. Now, why is this video earning and why is that other video not earning? And if you see the traffic source, it is getting around 39% views from the end screens. It is getting from the channel pages, browse features, where people are actually searching for the content and they are landing on that, right? Suggested videos, right? And only 5% is what it is getting from the shorts. Now, whenever someone watches video from any of these features, like end screens or channel pages or browse features or suggested videos, YouTube is going to treat that video as a normal uploaded video. It is not going to consider as a short because it is not being watched from the short self. In that case, you still see an earning for whatever the views have been generated from this. And also the watch time that is generated from this, either from end screens or channel pages or browse features or suggested videos, even the watch time will be considered. Only when the video is played in the short shelf, in that case, you don't see ads, and also the watch time is not going to be considered. So that's how exactly the short videos work. Okay, so I hope this is clear. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any videos from this channel. See you in the next video.